everyone, this is Sakura Yubi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Shio-Koji-Marinated tofu. That's right, you can marinate tofu in Shio-Koji. And what you end up with is something creamy and delicious. It's kind of like cheese, but not quite like cheese. It's one of a kind. Intrigued? Good. So let's get started. Today I'm using smooth tofu on the left and firm tofu on the right. They come out very differently in texture, but they are both nice. So use any type you like. Open up the tofu packages and discard all the water inside. Then transfer the tofu into a sealable plastic bag. Tofu is extremely soft and delicate, so do the best you can to keep its shape when you do this. Once your tofu is inside the plastic bag, gently smear Shio-Koji on one side. Then flip over the bag and do the same thing on the other side. Then pull out the air from the bag as much as you can and seal up the bag. Give it a gentle massage and then transfer it to the fridge. And let it rest in the fridge for at least 2 days. You can keep it in the fridge for up to a week. This one has been in the fridge for a couple of days. Do you see all that water has come out? It means Shio-Koji has worked its magic on the tofu and it's ready to eat. Let's slice them up and plate them. They are so soft, and it's really easy to mess them up, but that's okay. The flavor is what matters, and trust me, the flavor is there. Season it with some olive oil, ground black pepper, and pink peppercorns. There is already saltiness in the tofu because of Shio-Koji, so you don't need to add any salt to this. And there you have it. Tofu marinated in Shio-Koji. Let's have a taste. Here I started with smooth tofu. The texture was very silky and creamy, almost like creme brulee, and the flavor was very nice, mildly salty and a lot of umami. Shio-Koji turned this tofu into something completely different. It was delicious. Okay, moving on to firm tofu. So the texture of this tofu was a lot firmer and definitely more like tofu. And because of this texture, it was a little more filling and satisfying than the smooth tofu. The flavor was awesome. This dish is very healthy and delicious. We eat it all the time as a little snack when we get hungry. It also goes very well with alcoholic beverages. So give it a try and let me know how it went, okay? And that is it for today. Check out sakurayubi.com for the ingredient mouse. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!